Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Today we have with us one more budget true wireless earphones from pTron, and they are the Bassbuds Pro. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and we'll see how is the performance. The price of the pTron Bassbuds Pro is Rs.1499 at the moment, but they were launched initially for Rs.1299. In terms of unboxing experience, you have the picture of the product here with the model name below. At the back of the box we have the specifications and the features of these true wireless earbuds. You get 3 hours of talk time and 4 hours of music playback time. You get 40 mAh battery in each of these earbuds, and the charging case has the battery capacity of 300 mAh. You get 1 year warranty with them, and the MRP on the box is Rs.2900. Now let's open the box and see the content. So on the top you get the case which has the earbuds inside. And apart from that, in the box you get the extra ear tips of different sizes. And here is the charging cable which is Type-C. It's really good to see that these earbuds comes with the Type-C port on the charging case. Now let's look at the earbuds closely. pTron Bassbuds Pro comes with the in-ear design. And the size is compact and they are really lightweight and weighs just 4 grams each. You have the touch controls on these earbuds, and with the combination of different taps, you can perform different actions which I will show you later in this video. Talking about the charging case, you have this compact charging case which has a unique feature, that is the LCD screen to let you know about the remaining battery capacity of the case. And you can also see the charging indicator when you put the earbuds inside the case. Overall, in terms of quality and design, I find the quality good keeping in mind the price of these earbuds. And also about the design, the in-ear design is perfect and you get a similar design which you have in the Redmi AirDots, which by the way are my favorite. Now in terms of overview, apart from the LCD display on the case, you also have the LED light on the earbuds. A steady red light means that they are charging, and when you see this blinking LED light, this means they are ready to pair. Now more on the pairing, they're really easy to pair. Just take them out of the box and you will see this blinking LED light on one of the earbud. And now you will see them in the available Bluetooth device list on your phone. So they are paired now. Let's find out how is the sound performance. Now first of all about the comfort, as you can see they are very compact and lightweight, and as expected they're really comfortable to use. And because they are so lightweight, I didn't even feel that I was wearing the earbuds. Now talking about the sound performance, I have used these earbuds to listen to some music and watch videos. And in terms of sound performance, you get good clarity from them, and of course they have some bass in them. It's not overwhelming but not too low as well. Instrument separation is also good, and with the combination of proper bass and the clarity, I find the performance pretty good. Now talking about the videos, when I use them to watch movies and videos, the performance was pretty good. And one more thing worth mentioning is that you will not feel any discomfort from these earbuds while watching videos for long hours. There is no lag while watching videos on YouTube, but noticeable lag while playing games. You also get snug fit from these earbuds provided you use the correct size ear tips. And about the mic performance, I have taken some calls with them and the mic clarity is just average. In terms of touch controls, you have single tap to pause and play music, double tap to change tracks, and triple tap to call Google Assistant or Siri. The touch is responsive and works very well. Overall the sound performance is good, and in this price range there is nothing to complain about these earbuds. I find the design and the build quality pretty good, and if you're looking for a true wireless earbuds under Rs.1500, then the pTron Bassbuds Pro is actually a very good option. You get good battery backup from them, and with their charging case, you can charge them 2 to 3 times more, increasing your total playback time somewhere around 12 to 14 hours. And yes, how can we forget about the LCD battery indicator, which is good to see in this price range. So guys, if you're on a limited budget and looking for a good pair of true wireless earbuds, then do check them out. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy them, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the pTron Bassbuds Pro True Wireless Earbuds. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us your favorite true wireless earbuds in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.